Thank you for joining. Today we're going to talk about mobile apps in ServiceNow. We will cover some advanced use cases that make mobile experiences smarter and intuitive. Before jumping in, a little bit about me. I've been working with ServiceNow for 5 years, and my focus is on optimizing business processes and improving customer experience. Okay, before we start, I'd like to launch a little polls to figure out how familiar you are with mobile app builder. Okay, just 1 second. Are you able to see the poll? Give you just don't know 20 seconds to fill it if possible. Show results. Okay, perfect. Majority choose never use it. Okay, great. I will keep the examples visuals and practical so you can see what's possible even without prior hands-on experience. Let's start with why mobile apps are becoming a key part of every ServiceNow implementation. Okay, great. As it is in many organizations, people are constantly on the move. Technicians, field agents, or customers. They need to take action instantly, capture images, and keep working even with limited connectivity. That's where ServiceNow mobile app builder matter. It enables all of this inside your existing ServiceNow instance without further subscription. Important thing to note. Until recently, it was limited to simple forms and lists, but new features now let us handle advanced behaviors like dynamic logic, field dependencies, even file automations. To illustrate this, I will use a simple but realistic insurance app. Okay, let's play a video. Our demo app is an insurance app that allows a customer to report a car accident directly from the mobile phone. I will bring the video to the live. Are you able to see the video? It's a little bit, it's not clear. Let me maybe remove this PowerPoint. Okay, great. Here is the input form screen to report car accidents. Notice that when the user select an imported car, the support contact field is updated automatically. Now, let's try to select another impacted car, and you can notice that the support contact field has been updated dynamically. Even this example might seem obvious, it was not possible to make it in ServiceNow mobile apps previously. Now, let's see how it works under the hood. Recently, ServiceNow introduced mobile clone scripts. And there are two important concepts to notice. Okay. The first concept is the mform object. You can notice the mform object on line 5, 10, and 13. The mform object is very similar to the gform object we usually use in client script on the desktop part, and it allows display a field, hide the field, or maybe fill a field dynamically. That's the object we have used in our example to update the mform field dynamically. Okay. Another important concept is the mobile script include. Okay. Similar to Glide Ajax logic, we are able to call a server script and retrieve data from this script include. That's the logic we are used in these use cases. And please note that the syntax to call a script include is here in the line 6. You can use the mobile script include caller, and the first parameter is the script include name, and the second one is the method you are calling from the script include. Okay, it's very powerful. To make it possible, please note that you will need to select the field mobile callable at true so that it will be working. Okay, great. So I want you to notice this use case because it is very current in most of mobile app you will design or you will implement in our case. So remember that you can use this logic also in the mobile parts. Let's move on the second use case. Always for our insurance scenario, sometimes user needs to attach pictures of a vehicle, for instance, but there is no direct way to bind file to a field in mobile. By the way, the existing syntax allow attach file to a record, but not directly to a field to get this outcome like display in the screen. So what architecture we suggest in this use case? In this use case, what we typically did for our customers is to uh, to use staging table. Okay, staging table are used as a temporary table to store attachment before moving them to a target table and especially to a target field. Let's dive in how it works. Okay, in mobile app development, not that each time you are using input form screen, when you want to automate saving information of the input form screen, you can use scripted action item. Okay, so the syntax used in a scripted action item to bring attachment in the back office is on line 32. Okay, action result dot add attachment field name temp. Field name is the name of the mobile input, the first parameter. The second parameter is the name of the target table, and the third parameter is the name of the um, target glide record. Okay, so as we previously mentioned, the syntax allow only bind the file to a record and not to a field. So in this case, we are using a staging table to save temporarily the attachment, and we record on the staging table the name of the of the input fields in the mobile side, so that we will be able on the backend to bind this attachment to a target field. So here is the main architecture you could leverage to address this typical use case. Moving on the next slide. So, key takeaways. We explored how selecting, for instance, a vehicle can dynamically fill a related support contact. This dynamic logic saves time, avoid errors, and provides a smoother experience. Secondly, we saw how staging table pattern let us manage attachments efficiently. Together, these show how mobile app builder can handle complex and enterprise-grade mobile workflows. I hope this demo gave you new ideas of mobile apps you could implement in your instance from now. Remember, it is free and it enables services delivery everywhere your customers or your agents go. Thank you for your attention.